Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make all font size same in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we can see here some text in different size, but not all text the same. Now we want to make all font size same. Firstly, select the all font size. You can use the keyboard shortcut key, press Ctrl A, otherwise you can select manually. Click and drag on your mouse. Then go to the home menu, then click the font size box option, then write the font size. Now I select the font size 11, then press enter. Now we can see we make all font size same size in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.